What is up guys? This is Edwin. Welcome back to another video. I hope you guys are having a great day. So today I'll be sharing with you guys unboxing and how to style with heel Chelsea boots. To be honest, it isn't that hard to style with Chelsea boots as they are versatile and can go with a lot of style, be it casual or formal style. Their straightforward and clean design will complement a wide range of different outfits without clashing or seeming uncoordinated. And they can be worn many times throughout the season, making them a must-have pair of boots. And today, I'll be sharing with you guys how do I style them in 3 different outfits and unboxing, price, sizing, comfort level, and some of my final thoughts. So hopefully you guys kind of get some inspiration from the styling and information about these heel Chelsea boots right here. Alright, so let's get into the B-roll. So these Chelsea boots, which I get it from Asos, it came in a pretty simple shoebox and wrapped with this paper. My first impression of these boots is the leather looks high in quality. I really love the pointed toe and block heel right here, as you give that extra edge to make you look super cool in any outfit. Not to mention the shoes are pretty well made. It doesn't have excess glue, crooked stitching or out of shape. To me, it looks kind of high-end like some of the designers like Balenciaga, Maison Margiela or Yves Saint Laurent. For the price wise, it's $72 after deduction and the shipping takes around 2 weeks. In my opinion, I think the quality is worth the price given the look. There's nothing much to complain about. For the sizings, I would suggest you stay true to size or go one size down, depends on your preference. Personally, for me, I chose true to size as I prefer my shoe to be slightly loose, not too tight. For the comfort level, I will rate it around 6 out of 10 as it's kind of hard and tough. In conclusion, Chelsea boots are definitely a favorite type of boots for many guys out there. They can be worn with many different outfits throughout the season. You just can't go wrong with them. Not only that, they are perfect for every occasion, whether you want them for formal events, works, or hangout. Alright, I think that's all for the video. If you guys enjoyed this video, be sure to subscribe, like and share, and follow me on my Instagram. And do me a favor, comment down below of the 3 outfits, which outfit is your favorite. And I'll see you guys in the next video. Peace.